Alrighty, Levi, here's your small block Ford, 408 cubic inches. Two descriptions combination. We've got the Bronco covers on, Edelbrock manifold, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Bronco pan on it, March setup on the front end. We're gonna make a run, see what it does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 474 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque looks like 494. Peak horsepower 476. Rated 450. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the kind of the EFI open blended manifold and everything. So nice little combination. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean there, and I'll show you a couple things here. See if your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical stuff. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading it all. Have a great day.